Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nadigas. So today I'm gonna show you how I did gel on my nails for under $20. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nadigas if you're new here, and if you're not, thank you for coming back. It means a lot to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It would mean a lot. And if at any point of this video you like it, please give it a thumbs up. So today we're going to be doing gel nails, if it would focus. And like, if you see these, you probably thought I got them done somewhere, but no. It's gonna cost a lot less than you think, especially if you do them a lot. If it's like your wedding or something, I don't know about this. Actually, I would be that bitch to do this for my wedding because, bitch, it looks so good. You would think I got these done somewhere. And it's cheap as hell. I'm going to show y'all what I'm using. Everything I got, I'll link below. You can get it from Amazon. It's like really, really cheap. This is actually a one-step gel nail polish. And I got this like a month and a half, 2 months ago. And it's still going strong. I've been doing my nails like every week. Wonder. Wow. Was I supposed to get that sooner? Anyways, this is the little box that comes in. Wonder, whatever. And I got it in white. I haven't tried any other colors because I don't really need to. White is basically the only color I wear on my toes and my fingernails, so I stuck with this. I'll probably definitely be trying out new colors though, because like the way this comes out, and you don't need a base coat, you don't need a top coat, and so it's a win. It's a win for me. But yeah, it's Wonder. I spilled some, so never mind that. But yeah, it's a really nice white gel nail polish, and it comes out so glossy. Not me, even though I'm glossy too. Wow. We love her. And then for the light. So this is the whole backstory. I don't really usually do pedicures or manicures. I used to be like a whole acrylic hoe. I was like addicted for like 2 years. So if you're like me, or if you aren't and you want to maybe stop wearing acrylics because it's just so bad for your nails. That's just like the worst part. I would get it done like strictly every 2 weeks, and I had to have them done, and I spent all this money, and for what? Like, for what? Come on, for what? I was like, let me figure this out. And so what prompted me to do this? So for my birthday, I got my nails done after like 1.5 years to 2 years of not having acrylics. I got acrylic nails, and as fire as they were, they ruined my nails, as they usually do. And so Evan's mom actually got me this like certificate to go get gel on my toes. And so I went and I saw like how much they were charging. I never get gel. Like if I do my nails, it's just like I'll paint them with white nail polish, you know? And so I saw how much they were charging, and I was like, let me look on Amazon, because Amazon is my bitch. I was like, let me check out my girl. Let's see what's good with her. And I went on Amazon, found the light, found the nail polish, and when you don't have a base coat or top coat, 1, eliminates cost, and 2, it just saves so much time and money. And we love things that save time and money. So I got myself a UV light. So it has a bunch of settings. It comes with a little plug. This can be taken out for storage purposes. Then you plug it in. It has on off, which it just stays there. It has 5 seconds. Let's show you. It has, yeah, so sun UV. It has on off, 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. And so I do all of mine for 60. If it was on, I could show you. This turns on. I'll show you a little later. And this is the box for it. 2-in-1 LED UV lamp. This was, I want to say $20, and this was like $6. Think about it, like this was what, $26 total roughly, and that's one trip to get your nails done. And it looks just as good. Like I would actually rather do this myself so nobody can fuck it up. And if I fuck it up, I'll just redo it, and then I don't have to like pay someone to redo it, you know? In terms of how long they last, I would say about a week. I am kind of like a hands-on person. If I were to have black, it would probably last longer, a darker color, because what happens is like my nails, because of the acrylics, became really flimsy. And so like they'll bend kind of I don't know. Oh, stop focusing on my face. Okay, like it'll kind of be like, I could kind of bend my nails right now until that part that like was under the acrylic will grow out. One day. It's been 2 months. It might get like a few little cracks, but that's after like a week, and then I am just picky and I peel them off and then I redo them. So that's that. That's what we do. That's what we're doing today. If you want to see how we achieve these beautiful, affordable gel nails, just keep watching. So first we're going to start off with filing the surface of the nail. I know my metal nail file seems a little harsh, but I promise it's not as intense as it looks. It's pretty worn out. But yeah, we're just doing this so the gel has something to stick to. It doesn't chip as easily than if you were to not do this step. I definitely recommend it. And you know, you don't have to do anything too crazy, just something light. But I'm going to continue to do this on all of my nails, and we'll be back for filing. So after all the surfaces are filed, I'm just going to go in and shape my nails. I usually just keep it at a little square action going on. But yeah, I'm going to do this to all of my nails, and we'll be back after. After the filing's done, we're just going to wash our hands and push our cuticles back because our hands will be soft and it'll be easier to do so. And we're going to proceed to first coat. Alright, so this is where the magic happens. Something I want to say about this nail polish is before you put it under the LED light, it is extremely forgiving. If you mess up, it's okay. That's why I love it. You can just, honestly, if you're in a hurry, this is the best nail polish to use as long as you clean it up before putting it in the LED lamp. After doing so, after you put it in the lamp, it's going to be extremely difficult because it's just cured onto your skin. So just like I'm doing right here, take away whatever's on those edges. I really do try to just avoid my cuticle area. I've trained myself to not mess up there because, you know, if you do your nails, you know what I'm talking about, like gets under and stuff, and you don't like that look under your cuticles. Just looks a little messy. So as long as it's like the outside, I'm probably going to do it on this nail again. I'm pretty sure I do. Usually I don't, okay, but it happens. So it's a learning opportunity, feel me? So like right here, I'm probably gonna, see, we're just gonna take it off with that nail. And the perfect thing about this is whether you mess up, usually I'm assuming you're gonna do like left hand to right hand or right hand to left hand. And each time you do so, your hands are already cured right after you do your coat. So if say like that other hand was painted, if I were to go in and scrape off that side, unlike regular nail polish that would mess up, I can actually do that with gel nails because, you know, it's forgiving. So right here, we are putting it in the lights. Get in the light. I'm turning it on the 60-second option. You could do 30 seconds. I haven't tried it, but I just want the optimum, is that a word? Optimum? I think so. Optimum results. And these are the nails after it's been cured. See, that little bit got cured with my nails under the lamp, but it's all good. So we're here doing the second coat. Again, just huge emphasis on avoiding the cuticle area. As you can see, again, if it gets around, it is perfectly fine. And I believe, because I'm just voice overing this as I'm watching it, I have a few air bubbles. I think you can see them, but all good. It's not like regular nail polish, so just keep at it. It's not going to dry. Just get those air bubbles out, but just be careful of the sides. Again, I go in sometimes to fix something, and then I mess something else up. So that's it cured. Sometimes I do go ahead and cure my thumb on its own just because I feel like I have more control over what's happening rather than thinking, oh, like I hope I don't knock my thumb into something or it doesn't keep running or, Anyways, we're going to keep doing the rest of our nails, cure it, and voila. go ahead and slip them in the light. Again, just coat number 2 in for 60 seconds. And once you're done, we are revealing the magic again. Sorry for the lighting. In a few moments, you're going to see me do my other hand, and I'm going to show you both. It looks so good. I love the way these come out. This is where we got both hands popping. Wow, I love doing these. They're so quick. Like, if you need your nails done before you go somewhere, this is it. You have no time. This is it. It's amazing. It's affordable. And they look amazing, honestly. They look like I got them done somewhere. So that's without any top coat or base coat. We love it. Again, the products I'm using. Voila. There you have it. If you guys saw how this was set up, I was like bending in different ways. I probably pulled a few muscles, but it's fine. Anything for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, stay beautiful, happy, healthy. And again, all the products will be linked down below so you guys can achieve this too. Yeah? Yeah. Till next time. Bye. I use extra white just because I always keep it on my toes and my fingertails.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Thanks.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Notagus. Today I'm going to show you how I did my nails for under $20. And that's my cue.